Are you struggling with organizing and moving your wardrobe? Well, you're not alone. In fact, a cluttered wardrobe can be more than just an eyesore. It can make finding what you need a chore and moving a nightmare. But fret not. With the right strategies, you can turn that chaotic closet into a well-ordered wardrobe and make your next move a breeze. So buckle up and stay tuned for some smart organizing and moving hacks for your wardrobe. The first step in any organization process is to declutter. It's important to sift through your wardrobe and separate the items you wear regularly from those you don't. Here's a tip. If you haven't worn a piece in a year, it's probably time to say goodbye. Discarding or donating these items not only frees up space, but also allows you to focus on organizing what you actually use. Remember, less is often more when it comes to an organized closet. Once you've decluttered, you're ready to start organizing. Now that you've decluttered, it's time to get organized. And we've got some smart hacks to help you do just that. First up, vacuum-sealed bags. These are your best friends when it comes to storing those bulky winter sweaters or your summer beachwear during the off-season. They compress your clothes, making them easier to store and move, while also keeping them protected from dust and moisture. Next, let's talk about hanger hacks. Ever thought of using soda can tabs to create double hangers? It's a neat trick to help maximize the space in your closet. And if you've got a collection of scarves or belts, shower curtain rings can be an easy and inexpensive way to keep them organized and accessible. Now here's a tip you might find surprising. Roll your clothes, don't fold them. Not only does this save space, but it also helps prevent wrinkles. It's particularly useful for items like t-shirts and jeans. Moving on to drawer organization. Shoe boxes or small bins can be excellent dividers to keep your socks, underwear, or accessories in order. It's a simple solution that can make a world of difference in your daily routine. Ever considered color coordinating your wardrobe? Arranging your clothes by color can make it easier to find what you need and gives your closet a tidy, visually appealing look. It's like having your personal rainbow every time you open your wardrobe doors. And finally, let's talk about multifunctional furniture pieces. An ottoman or a storage bench can double up as seating and provide extra storage space for shoes or accessories. It's a smart way to utilize space effectively and keep your room clutter-free. Remember, the key to a well-organized wardrobe is to utilize every inch of available space creatively. These hacks will not only make your wardrobe more organized, but also more visually appealing. So go ahead, give them a try and watch your wardrobe transform. Moving can be a daunting task, especially when it comes to your wardrobe. But let's simplify it with some smart hacks. When it's time to pack, consider using suitcases instead of boxes. They're not only easier to transport, but they also double up as storage at your new place. From blouses to belts, everything can find a home in your rolling luggage. Next up, the all-important task of labeling. Clearly mark each box or suitcase with its contents and the room it belongs in. This will make your life easier when you're staring at a mountain of boxes in your new home, wondering where on earth your favorite pair of jeans are. Don't forget about the potential of multifunctional furniture. An ottoman isn't just a place to rest your feet, it's also a fantastic storage solution for shoes and accessories. Similarly, door space is often underutilized. Hanging hooks or over-the-door organizers can be a lifesaver for bags, scarves, or jewelry. With these hacks, moving your wardrobe should be a smoother process. Organizing and moving your wardrobe doesn't have to be a daunting task. We've explored some game-changing hacks that can revolutionize the way you manage your wardrobe. Remember, the first step is to declutter. Get rid of items you no longer need or wear. Once you've done that, think about maximizing your storage with vacuum-sealed bags, hanger tabs, and the clever use of shoe boxes as drawer dividers. Rolling clothes instead of folding and color coordinating your wardrobe not only saves space but also makes your closet aesthetically pleasing. Don't forget about multifunctional furniture and utilizing door space to optimize your storage capacity. When it's time to move, suitcases and clearly labeled boxes will make the process a breeze. These strategies will not only save you time and space, but also make your daily routine more efficient and your environment more enjoyable. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and hacks.